Welcome to Income Insight. Learn smart ways to grow your money, earn passive income, and level up your financial game, all in one place. Hit subscribe and start your journey to financial freedom today. Imagine waking up in the morning and realizing you earned money while you slept. That's the power of passive income, money that flows in 24/7, even when you're not working. In this video, we'll explore 7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025 and how you can start today. Number 1, dividend stocks. When you buy shares of companies that pay dividends, you earn a portion of their profit regularly. It's like owning a small piece of a business that pays you every month. Companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, and Johnson & Johnson are known for strong dividend histories. Number 2, affiliate marketing. You promote other companies' products, and every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. The best part? Once your content is live, it can keep earning for years. Number 3, YouTube automation. Faceless channels like this one use AI to write scripts, create videos, and upload content automatically. Once your videos rank, ad revenue continues to grow even while you sleep. Number 4, real estate crowdfunding. You can invest in property without buying a whole building. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul let you start with as little as $10 and still earn monthly rental income. Number 5, create a digital product. Whether it's an ebook, online course, or a finance template, build it once and sell it forever. It's the classic create once, earn forever system. Number 6, peer-to-peer lending. You lend money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms and earn interest. It's a modern way to become your own bank. Just make sure you choose trusted platforms. And finally, high-interest savings or bonds. This isn't the fastest way to grow your money, but it's safe and steady. Perfect for those who prefer low-risk income streams. So there you have it, 7 proven ways to build passive income in 2025. Which one will you start first? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart money tips every week. Remember, it's not about working harder. It's about working smarter.